This song is actually a new Hmong song that I wrote just for you guys, actually. They told me to do 3 Hmong songs, and I'm like, I only have 1 Hmong song. So I took the challenge and wrote a new song. I don't know what it's called yet. I forgot. But my friends. But I want to give a shout out to my friends David, Paul, and Charles, and them for coming out and supporting. So yeah, and I've never played it before, so you guys are the first to hear it.
Go through